I'm Cassidy, and today I will be guiding you through a meditation practice for self-love. We hear this term, self-love, thrown around quite a bit, but I think it's a different story to actually carve out the time in our day to nourish ourselves and intentionally practice self-love and compassion. So I'm hoping this practice today can bring just a little more of that into your life. Before we begin, find a comfortable position for your practice today. You can be sitting down, laying down, or even standing up if you need a bit more energy. And take a moment to just get acclimated with your physical space. Look around, notice any sights, smells, sounds around you. And allow yourself to arrive fully in this space, feeling comfortable and safe here. Check in with the physical body, whatever position you're in, making sure that the spine is nice and long, the shoulders are relaxed, and the jaw is unclenched. Once you feel comfortable, maybe you start to close the eyes or just find a soft gaze, whatever feels more comfortable for you today. And start to turn your attention to the breath. Without changing it, just start to notice your inhales and your exhales. Allow every breath to become just a bit deeper. Drawing air in through the nose to fill the belly up, and allowing for long, full exhales. Spend a bit of time just focusing solely on the breath, finding a nice rhythm that can carry you through the rest of our practice today. And remembering that if the mind wanders, you can always bring it back to this grounding tool of the breath. Using the breath as a tool to anchor you to the present moment, to the right here and the right now. And as you come into this space of presence, mindfully sitting with yourself, start to allow the external world to fall away. With every exhale, let go of comparison, of judgment, of doubt. With every inhale, feeling yourself opening up to the possibility that everything you need is already within you, that you are enough just as you are. That there is no need for doubt, comparison, or judgment. If those things have been lingering in the mind, consider this an invitation to gently let them go. And even within this meditation, practicing compassion towards yourself. If thoughts and distractions arise, knowing that it's okay, accepting yourself fully and just guiding the attention back to this space. Start to rub the hands together. Create a little bit of friction, a little bit of heat. Continue for a few more seconds. And then place the right hand over the heart and the left hand on top of it. And continue to breathe. Inviting self-love and compassion into the heart space with every inhale. Continuing to release doubt and comparison with every exhale. Maybe you find an affirmation, something like, I am enough, I am radiant, I am worthy, I am strong. Finding an affirmation that resonates with you today. Something that you can come back to when you feel judgment and comparison creeping in. Instead, shifting your mindset back to this space, of presence, of unconditional love and acceptance for yourself. Take a few moments to repeat that affirmation to yourself, letting it become one with the breath. And then starting to visualize yourself showing up as your authentic self as you start to move back into the day. Releasing the fears that hold you back from confidence and freedom, and allowing yourself to be exactly who you are without judgment or comparison. Inhale and breathe in unconditional love, compassion, acceptance. Exhale, let go of doubt, comparison, and judgment. You can stay here as long as you'd like, or if you'd like to start to move into the rest of your day, you can gently begin to blink the eyes open, maybe taking a moment to reacclimate yourself with that physical space. Maybe gently wiggling the fingers and the toes to come back to the physical body. We'll take one final breath. Inhale, fill up with self-love, and exhale, release everything holding you back from being exactly who you are. Thank you so much for joining me for this self-love practice today. If you enjoyed today's meditation, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more guided meditations, yoga classes, and other wellness content. Have a wonderful rest of your day.